Good morning student, grade 4, subject maths. Our first topic is multiples and factors. Our next topic is multiples and factors. The properties of multiplication, we have two properties. Every number is a multiple of itself. For example, every number is a multiple of itself. For example, 11 is a multiple of itself. And 5 is also a multiple of itself. And all numbers, 7, 8, 9, 10, etc. It's a multiple of itself numbers. And second property, every number is a multiple of 1. For example, every number is a multiple of 1 is an example. So 1 is 1 into 1 and 2 into 1, 3 into 1, 4 into 1, 5 into 1, etc. So every number is a multiple of 1. So all numbers multiplied by 1. My practice time 1. Our first question. Write the first 9 multiples of the following numbers. The first question A. The multiples of 4 is equal to multiples of 4. In fourth table, 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8, right? 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 6 4s are 24, 7 4s are 28, and 9 4s are 30, 9 4s are 32, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 24, 28, 32, and 9 4s are 36. So multiples of 4 is equal to fourth table. 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 5 4s are 20, 6 4s are 24, 7 4s are 28, 8 4s are 32, 9 4s are 36. So first 9 multiples of 4. And second question number B, 9. The multiples of first 9 multiples of 9. First 9 multiples of 9. In ninth table, 1 9s are 9, 2 9s are 18, 3 9s are 27, 4 9s are 36, 5 9s are 45, 6 9s are 54, 7 9s are 63, 8 9s are 72, 9 9s are 81, 9 9s are 81. Here, ninth table, 1 9s are 9, 2 9s are 18, 3 9s are 27, 4 9s are 36, and 5 9s are 45, 6 9s are 54, 7 9s are 63, 8 9s are 72, 9 9s are 81. So, we have 9 multiples. 9 multiples of first 9 multiples of 9. And second one, 3. And second one, 3. The question number C, 3. Find first 9 multiples of 3. First 9 multiples of 3. So multiples of 3 is equal to. In third table, 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15, 6 3s are 18, 7 3s are 21, 8 3s are 24, and 9 3s are 27. We have first 9 multiples. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. So, first question. My practice time 1. First question, we find first 9 multiples of 4, 9 and 3. 4, 9 and 3. In fourth table, first 9 multiples. And in ninth table, first 9 multiples. And in third table, first 9 multiples of 3. And second question, find the factors of the following. Second question. Find the factors of the following questions. Question A 36 and B 42 and C 40. First question 36. Find the factors of the 36. The factors of 36 equal to factors of 36 equal to 136 or 36. 36 in first table 136 are 36 and second table 1 2 into 18 is equal to 36. 2 into 18 is equal to 36 and third table 12 into 3. Third table 12 into 3 is equal to 36 and fourth table 9 fours are 36. Fifth table 36 not come. Sixth table 6 6 are 36. 6 6 are 36 and seventh table 36 not come and eighth table also not comes. Ninth table 9 fours are 36. 9 fours are 36 and 10th table also not come. 11th table so also 11th table is also not come. 12th table 12 3s are 36. 12 3s are 36 and 13th table 1 30s are 13, 2 30s are 26. 13th table not come and 14th table and 15th table 16th table 17th table etc. up to 18th table 18 2s are 36. 18 2s are 36 and the last one in 36th table 36 into 1 is equal to 36. So 36 comes this all table, first table, second table, third table, fourth table, sixth table, ninth table, 12th table, 18th table and 36th table. The factors of 36 equal to 36 come first table, 36 come second table, 36 come third table, 36 come fourth table and sixth table, ninth table, 12th table, 18th table, 36th table. So 36 factors of 36 equal to 36 comes first table, second table, third table, fourth table, sixth table, ninth table, 12th table, 18th table and 36th table. The factors of 36 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Question number B. Find the factors of 42. Find the factors of 42. Therefore, factors of 42 is equal to right first table 142s are 40. Second table 221s are 42. Third table 314s are 42. 314s are 42. In fourth table 42 is not come. Fifth table. In sixth table 7 6 7s are 40. In sixth table 6 7s are 40. Seventh table 7 7s are 6 7s are in seventh table 7 6 are 40 and eighth table 42 is not come and ninth table is also 42 not come and 10th table 12th table 13th table 14th table 14 3s are 40 and 15 and 21th table and next one 21th table 21 2s are 40 and 42 table 42 into 1s are 42. So 42 comes is all tables first table, second table, third table, sixth table, 7th table, 14th table, 21st table, and 42th table. Therefore, the factors of 42 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 6, 4, 14, 21, 42. Question number C, 40. Find the factors of 40 is equal to. Now we write the table. 40 comes in the first table. 1 40s are 40. 40 comes in the second table. 2 20s are 40. And third table is not come. And the fourth table. 4 10s are 40. Fifth table. 5 8s are 40. Sixth table not come. Seventh table also not come. Eighth table. 8 5s are 40. And ninth table 40 is not come. And 10th table 10 4s are 40. And 11th table, 12th table, 13th table, 14th table, 15th table, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th table, 20 into 2s are 40. And next 40th table, 40 into 1s are 40. Therefore, factors of 40 is equal to 40 comes first table, second table, fourth table, fifth table, and 8th table, 10th table, 20th table, and last 40th table. So factors of 40 is equal to first table, second table, fourth table, fifth table, 8th table, 9th table, 20, and 40. Prime number and composite number. Which is the prime number? Which is the composite number? The first number 1. 1 is a neither prime nor composite number. 1 is neither prime nor composite number. Second, the 2. Factor of 2. Second number, factor of 2 is equal. Factors of 2 is equal to 2 comes first table and the second table. 2 comes first table and the second table. Next one, factors of 3. Factors of 3. 3 comes first table and the third table. 3 comes first table and the third table. Second, factors of 4. Factors of 4. Factors of 4. 4 comes first table and 4 comes second table and 4 comes fourth table. Factors of 5. 5 comes first table and 5 comes first table. 5 comes fifth table. 5 comes fifth table. And factors of 6. So 6 comes first table. All numbers comes first table and 6 comes second table. 6 comes second table and 6 comes third table and 6 comes sixth table. Sixth table. Next one, factors of 7. Factors of 7. Factors of 7. 7 comes first table and 7 comes second table. Not having 7. Third table not having 7. Fourth table not having 7. Fifth table not having 7. Sixth table also not having. And seventh table 1 7s are 7. And factors of 8. Factors of 8. We checking in second table 8. 8 comes second table. 8 comes first table, second table. 8 comes third table, not here. 8 in fourth table. 8 comes fourth table. And 8 comes fifth table. No. Sixth table. No. Seventh table. We checking 8. No. 8th table. In 8th table 1 ends are 8 and we checking factors of 9. 9 comes first table, 9 comes first table. Second table, no. Third table, 9 is third table 9 is here, so third table. 9 fourth table, no. 9 is in fifth table, no. 9 is in sixth table, no. 9 is in seventh table, no. 9 is in eighth table, no. 9 is in ninth table. And factors of 10. We checking first table. 10 is come first table. Second table we checking 10. Yes, second table 10 is come second table. Third table 10 is not here, and fourth table 10 is not here, and fifth table 10 is here. Fifth table, in fifth table 10, so comes 10 is come fifth table, and sixth table not here, seventh table 10 is not here, eighth table 10 is not here, ninth table 10 is not here, and 10th table 10 is here in 10th table. So which is a prime number, which is a composite number? Now we find which is a prime number, which is a composite number. First we find factors of 2. Factors of 2, first table and second table. The prime number 2 is a prime. Whereas the factors only two factors, 1 and 2. So it is a prime number. It is a prime number. 3 factors of 3. Checking 3. 3 is a prime number because only having two factors. One is 1 and the other one is 3. It is a prime number. It is a prime number. Factors of 4. 4 is a prime number or composite number. 4 is a composite number because we are having 3 factors. We are having 3 factors, 1, 2 and 4 is a composite number. 5 is a prime or composite number. 5 is a prime or composite number. It is a prime number because we have only 2 factors. So it is a prime number. 6 is a prime or composite number. 6 is a composite number because we have 4 factors. It is a composite number. Factors of 7. 7 is a prime or composite number. 7 having only 2 factors. That is a prime number. 7 is a prime number. Here factors of 8. 8 is a prime or composite number. 8 having 4 factors. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 factors. It is a composite number. And 9 also having 3 factors. It is also composite number. And 10 having 4 factors is a composite number. So and etc. So 2 is a prime number because we have 2 factors. 3 is a prime number because we have 2 factors. 4 is a not a prime because we have 3 factors. Numbers 166 is divisible by 2, or divisible by 3, divisible by 4, divisible by 5, divisible by 9 and divisible by 10. The 166 is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 9, 10. Is tick the column. By the rule of division by 2, last number is even number. Our unit digit is even number. The unit digit is even number. It is divisible by, therefore 6 is a even number. It is a divisible by 2. Therefore 166 is divisible by 2. The divisible by 3. Sum of the all digits. Sum of the 166. Sum of the all the digits. 1 plus 6 plus 6. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 6, 13. 13 is not divisible by 3. So is not divisible by 166. 166 is not divisible by 3. Divisible by 4. Divisible by rule of divisible by 4. Last 2 digit number is 0. Last 2 digit number is 0. Last 2 digit is divisible by 4. It is divisible by 4. So last 2 digit number 66. So last 2 digit number 66. 66. 66 is 1 times balance 26. 26 not in the fourth table. 26 not in the fourth table. So last two digit is not divisible by 4. So 166 is not divisible by 4. Not divisible by 4. And division by 5 also. Last unit digit is 0 or 5. It is divisible by 5. It is divisible by 5. Divisible by 5 is last unit digit is 0 or 5. It is divisible by 5. Or other numbers not divisible by 5. So last unit digit is 6. 6 is not divisible by 5. This is 160 is not divisible by 5. So divisible by 3, divisible by 9. Same rule. Third rule also followed by 9. Divisible by 9. Divisible by 9. So 1 plus 66, 166. Sum of the all digits. 1 plus 6 plus 6. So totally 13. 13 is also not divisible by 9. 13 is also not divisible by 9. So this also 160 is not also divisible by 9. So divisible by 10 rule. 10 rule is unit digit is 0. Unit digit is 0 comes. So divisible by 10. So unit digit is here 6 is also not divisible by 10. So in divisible by 2 rules. Divisible by 2 rules. Last digit is even number. It must be divided by 2. It is also divided by 2. Divisible by 3, the sum of all the digits, sum of all the digits is 13. So sum of all the digits divided by 3 is divisible by 3. So the sum of all the digits is 13. 13 is not divisible by 3. So it is 160 is not divisible by 3. So divisible by 4. Next one divisible by 4. Last two digits 0 or last two digits is divisible by 4. This also 160 is also divisible by 4. Last two digits is 66. 60 is not divisible by 4. Not divisible by 4. So 160 is not divisible by 4. So 5 divisible by 5. Last digit 0 or 5 comes. It is divisible by 5. Last digit here 6. 6 is not divisible by 5. So 160 is not divisible by 5. So sum of all the digits. Same rule. Divisible by 3 rule. Followed by 9. So sum of the all digits is 13. 13 is not divisible by 9. So it is not 160 is not divisible by 9. 160 is last by 10 rule. Divisible by 10 rule. Last unit digit is 0. 0 comes divisible by 10. So here 6. 6 is not divisible by 10. Therefore 160 is not divisible by 10. 177. Next number is 177. Here unit digit, last digit 7. 7 is odd number. 7 is odd number. 7 is odd number. So not divisible by 2. Therefore 177 is not divisible by 2. Not divisible by 2. 166. 177. Sum of the all the digits. 1 plus 7 plus 7. 7 plus 7 14. 14 plus 1 15. 15 is divisible by 3. So 5 3s are 15. 15 is divisible by 3. 5 3s are 15. So therefore 177 is divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. 177 divisible by 4 or not. Divisible by 4 or not. Last two digits. 77. 77 is not divisible by 4. 77 is not divisible by 4. 77 is not divisible by 4. So it is also not divisible by 177 is not divisible by 4. And 177 last digit 7. 7 is 0 or 5 means divisible by 5. Here is 7. 7 is not divisible by 5. Therefore 177 is not divisible by 5. So 9. 177. Sum of all the digits. 1 plus 7 plus 7. 15. 1 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. 15. 15 is sum of the all the digits. 15. 15. 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 is not divisible by 9. 6 is not divisible by 9. 1 plus 7 plus 7. 1 plus 7 plus 7. 15. 15 is not divisible by 9. 15 is not divisible by 9. Therefore, not divisible by 177 is not divisible by 9. So, divisible by 10. The unit digit is 0 comes means divisible by 10. The unit digit is 7. So, not divisible by 10. Not divisible by 10. And next one. 148. 148. Last number is even number. 8 is a even number. It is divisible by 2. It is divisible by 2. And adding 1, 4, 8. 1 plus 4 plus 8. 1 plus 12. 12 plus 1. 13. 13 is not divisible by 3. 13 is not divisible by 3. Therefore, 148 not divisible by 3. Next one. 148. 148 divisible by 4. Last two digit number 48. 48 divided by 4. Cancel 1 times 2 times. So, last two digit divisible by 4. Divided by 4. So, it is also divided by 4. 148 is divided by 4. 148. Last two digit number is divided by 4. 4 comes 1 times, 8 comes 2 times. So, it is exact divided by 4. Therefore, 148 is divisible by 4. Next, fifth. 148. Last number 8. 8 is not a 0 and 5. Therefore, the 148 is not divisible by 5. Same 148. So adding 1 plus 4 plus 8. 1 plus 4 plus 8. So 12, 13. 13 is also 13. 13 is also not divisible by 9. Therefore, 148 is not divisible by 9. Next one is 148. 148. 8 is 0. Comes mean divisible by 10. 8 is not a 0. 8 is not a last unit digit is not a 0. It becomes 8. Therefore, it is not divisible by 10. It is not divisible by 10. Homework part. Write the prime numbers between 1 to 20. Write the prime numbers between 1 to 20. Find the factors of 18. Find the factors of 18. Third one. Which of the following numbers composite and prime numbers? Which of the following numbers composite and prime numbers? 2, 3, 7, 6, 10, 12, 15 and 18.